Let's learn 5 commonly used idioms with real life examples with ChatGPT. Okay, teach me 5 idioms, 5 commonly used idioms with examples. And you don't need to explain all of them in one go, but one by one. First, you tell me the first idiom. I will try to guess its meaning. Once my guess is over, then you need to explain its meaning in a simple form.
Got it. Let's start fresh. The first idiom is break the ice. Try to guess what it means.
Break the ice. I have to guess what could be the possible meaning of it. It means to be comfortable, to initiate conversation, or to avoid any type of hesitation. This is my guess because I am familiar with this idiom. So let's check it out whether I am correct or not. It means to initiate conversation, to remove little bit of barriers such as hesitation. Means when we talk to unknown person, okay, any unknown person, that time we break the ice by saying hi, hello. Am I correct?
Yes, you're absolutely right. Break the ice means to start a conversation or activity in a way that makes people feel more comfortable,
Yeah.
especially in a new or awkward situation.
Now, provide me examples.
Sure. Here's an example. At the beginning of the meeting, she told a funny joke to break the ice and make everyone feel relaxed.
Now, let's jump to the next idiom.
All right. The next idiom is under the weather. Try to guess what it means.
It is a piece of cake for me. Under the weather, it simply means to be unhealthy, to be unwell, isn't it? I know it. I can be spot on. It means to be unhealthy.
Yes, you're spot on.
Yeah.
Under the weather means feeling sick or unwell. Would you like an example?
For example, yesterday I couldn't record video because I was under the weather. Now let's see ChatGPT's example.
All right. Here's an example. I wanted to go to the party, but I was feeling under the weather, so I stayed home and rested.
I wanted to go to the party, but I was under the weather and I didn't. मतलब मैं पार्टी में जाना चाहता था लेकिन मैं बीमार था, उसकी वजह से मैं नहीं जा पाया. Now, jump to the next idiom.
All right. The next idiom is spill the beans. Try to guess what it means.
Spill the bean means to reveal a secret. To reveal something private. I know it. I can be spot on. It means to reveal a secret. To expose something secret, isn't it?
Yes, exactly. Spill the beans means to reveal a secret, especially by accident. Now, do you want an example?
It means to reveal a secret by accident, not intentionally.
Sure. Here's an example. We were planning a surprise party for John, but Sarah accidentally spilled the beans before the big day.
We were planning for the surprise party, but Sarah spilled the beans. Means it was a secret party. We need to surprise. We wanted to surprise somebody, but she spilled the bean. She revealed it. We kept it secret, but she revealed it. Okay? I said next idiom.
Got it. The next idiom is hit the sack. Try to guess what it means.
Hit the sack. I have really never heard of this idiom, but I can make a guess. It possibly means to go to the bed. That I'm exhausted, I'm very tired, I'm going to sleep, I'm going to the bed. It is my guess, but I'm not certain. So let's verify it. It means to go to bed or to sleep.
Yes, exactly. Hit the sack means to go to bed or sleep. Now, would you like an example?
Yesterday I played football for a long period of time, and because of that I was really exhausted and I hit the sack early.
Here's an example. I'm really tired after a long day. I think I'll hit the sack early tonight. Let me know when you're ready for the last idiom.
Yeah, tell me the last idiom.
Alright, the last idiom is piece of cake. Try to guess what it means.
Piece of cake. If you listen to me carefully, I have already used this idiom in previously in this video. Okay, it means something is very easy to do and very convenient. I know it. Even I feel you know it as well. It is really piece of cake for me to answer it. It means really easy and convenient.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Piece of cake means something is very easy to do. Now, do you want an example?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. Here's an example. The test was a piece of cake. I finished it in just 10 minutes. That was the last idiom.
The test was piece of cake. I finished it within 10 minutes. Means the टेस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा ही आसान था. टेस्ट मतलब एग्ज़ाम बहुत ज़्यादा ही आसान था और मैंने इसको बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म कर दिया. You know, making YouTube videos is not piece of cake for everyone. It takes lot of effort and time. YouTube वीडियो बनाना कोई piece of cake नहीं है, ठीक है? मतलब कोई आसान काम नहीं है. ये बहुत टाइम और मेहनत लगता है. If you find this video engaging, helpful and you have learned any new idiom, then subscribe to my channel and like this video.